Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to use Capcut template from TikTok on either Android or iPhone. Alright, it's very easy. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open your TikTok application and then click on the discover option at the bottom navigation. So once you click on that, at the top search bar, tap on it and search for Capcut templates. Now once you click on that, you're going to find all these videos right here. So what we're just going to do is to click on the users option at the top, click on the users option, and here you're going to find all these Capcut template accounts. So go ahead and click on any of them. For example, I'm just going to click on this one. And, here it says right, Capcut templates finder. All right, so what we're going to do next is to just open any of these video, any of them. So all these videos are just templates, Capcut templates you can try. Now from here you're going to find this Capcut logo, and it says try these templates. So once you go ahead and click on this, first of all, let's scroll, and as you can see right here, we can find this on all the videos. All the videos has this try this template, right? And these are templates you can use. So we are going to click on this try this template right here. Click on that, and button, and then after clicking on the button, it directs you to your Capcut application. All right, I think probably you need to have the Capcut app installed on your phone first of all before you can be able to make use of this templates from TikTok. All right guys, so this is how you can actually use it. So go ahead and select a video from your device and use the templates. So this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.